Hi, this is JJ with Spearline. Did you know clicking on a number in Failed or Analytics will give details of the last 10 calls to that number? This is extremely useful for identifying if a bigger issue is presenting and checking the history of a number to see its performance. Spearline will show how a number is performing and gives you a unique overview of that number's performance. Here we can see the history of a number that is performing well. In this example, you can see the history of a number performing badly, but is now improving. And this example shows a number that is performing with irregular intervals. Irregularity can be really challenging. However, with Spearline data, switch engineers and network professionals have the benefits of complete call detail records, recorded experience of audio and more, which all contribute to swift root cause identification and corrective action. This feature is standard on the Spearline platform and gives you more control over the numbers that you test.